Alright guys, Connor here from Test Technology, and I'm here with some HD camcorder that I got for my birthday about 2 years ago. I'm just going to start doing reviews on all the electronics I have. Well, got this off Finger Hut. Just show you there, I'm filming with my iPod, so it may be a little blurry, but it's high definition, 12 megapixel camera, supports up to 8 gigabytes. It's Li-ion battery, movie and music player, and it's a game player. And you're probably wondering why I'm not using this. It's just because no charge, and lost the charger. But yeah, let's see. Oh, it's a Cobra. It is a Cobra digital camcorder HDVC 5100 user manual. Simple user manual stuff. 1 year limited warranty. Some of it's junk on it. Pay attention. And this, I know, maybe the charger, I don't know. Man, I just dropped it. So, okay. So the specs on this thing, I mean, with it finally played out, I'll do a full review on this in the future. HD symbol, looking pretty nice. Got flash. Another thing, I don't know. Kind of new to this shit. 12 megapixel camera, and it's like a flip. You just go and you turn it to video recording, power button top, and just hold it. Some buttons here for shutter, for turning around, stuff like that. Screen is kind of small, but I mean it works for me. It's about, when I got it, it was about $200. I got it for a Christmas present, and I just never really got into it, except for like the first 5 minutes. That was about it. But yeah, guys, that's about it. This is Connor from Test Technology, and see you later.